Branch banking, consisting of brick and mortar branches, has no future. Let's see why. It's outdated. Traditional banking has no role to play in an everything tech economy. Limited product offerings, and you have to run from one desk to another to get a simple work done. Expensive from the bank's viewpoint as well as the customers, even in terms of fees and charges. And it's time consuming, time bound, the bank and branch timings. One may have to travel a long way to get a particular type of transaction done. So, what's the way out? There is only one way out: digital banking. Oh, you mean online banking? No, we mean the world of digital banking where there's a new digital world. So now let's see what is digital banking. Digital banking represents a virtual process that includes online banking, mobile banking, and much beyond. It has all the functions which a traditional bank has: a head office, branch office, online services, bank cards, ATMs, and point of sales machines all included in their services. The reason why digital banking is more than just a mobile or online platform is that it includes middleware solutions such as product development, risk management tools, and a key way in which digital banks gain significant competitive edge is by developing a more robust IT architecture in the form of application program interfaces with the application of artificial intelligence. So it's a proper landscape. So this is from the bank side. What is in it for us? For the customers, there is plenty. It's a whole new world there. Let's see now what digital banking can provide us. Anywhere, anytime banking, the convenience factor. Many mobile banking apps, for instance, even lets you deposit checks remotely. At the same time, you can check your balance, transfer funds, and do a whole lot of services. That's the ability to go cashless. Many multiple features. Banks can offer personalized financial advice, savings tools, virtual assistants, all within the convenience of an app. Peer to peer payments and virtual cards are now very much in the offering. Security. This was one of the major concerns, but now with multi factor authentication, biometric authentication, there is reason to believe that a digital bank is more secure than a traditional banking system. And you have much more control. You have everything right in your hand on the mobile phone or your laptop. There is real time access to manage and move money as you see fit and push notifications. And there is variety. So many types of payments and services available on the mobile banking: online bill payments, voice banking, augmented reality AR, virtual reality VR. I will come to AR VR in a few minutes. So there is plenty more. So these are all pros and advantages. Are there any downturns? Yes, there are a few downsides. Tech related service disruptions. The internet service provider may have issues. If the internet goes down, so does mobile banking and net banking. Deposit restrictions. There may be limits put on deposits for security purposes. No personal touch. One cannot walk into a branch, talk to a personal banker, and discuss issues. But we have virtual assistants who can do the work much more efficiently. And the possibility of overspending, having all the facilities right there in the hand. Having said that, let us see what is the future of digital banking. Now, digital banking is dependent mainly on technologies and the emerging technologies. So, I have considered six of them and let us see how they are going to influence the future. AI and ML. Artificial intelligence and machine learning is going to automate tasks currently requiring human intelligence, thereby reducing human errors. They are going to enhance cyber security, which is one of the major concerns right now in the globe. Distributed ledger technology and blockchain, that's going to decentralize management of customer transaction data and get more control of historic transactions. Biometrics. Passwords and PINs will cease to exist. For traditional customers, this is going to be a concern, but it's going to be replaced by facial and voice recognition. Internet of Things, highly personalized service, AR, VR, augmented reality and virtual reality, by which customers can make decisions more effectively and no need for any branch visits. Recently, I worked on a project where Customers using the digital banking channel can actually play games, get more points, and go for higher ranking products. And quantum computing process huge volumes of data and automate manual tasks. With the introduction of AI, ML, RPA, digital banking will see a new future, and this will drive truly individualized customer-centered banking. Now let us see one by one how. Firstly, it's going to be a lifestyle integration. Customers expect their banks to know them. Therefore, banking will need to deliver next level hyper relevance and understanding. Automated and intuitive. Customers expect us to minimize the time and effort required to do things. So, banking needs to be super easy to use and where relevant, be in the background. Proactive and forward thinking. Successful businesses work tirelessly on exceeding customer expectations by anticipating what they want. Banks will need to anticipate what a customer needs before they ask for. Context and sensitivity. Customers expect understanding and empathy. To display this, banks will need to deliver services and experiences that contextually align to the customer's life stage, needs, and circumstances. And finally, we come to resolution. Customers don't just judge businesses by what they do right, they appraise them for how they resolve issues. Banks will need to practice proactive accountability and tackle an issue even before it impacts the customer. The 5 points which I mentioned just now, digital banking will truly take care of them. So, with having said that, let's bid adieu to branch banking slowly and embrace the bank of the future, the digital banking. It's here to stay. It's quite an irony that I'm sort of recommending bidding goodbye to branch banking, despite the fact that I started my career in branch banking and was there for 13 years. However, in this fast paced and ever evolving financial world, digital banking has many advantages over traditional banking, especially in terms of ease and accessibility, the security, as well as the personalized products and services. So, we have to accept this and embrace this change. If you like this video, please do like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video soon.